Achieving financial freedom requires more than just earning a high income. It's about adopting consistent habits that help you grow, save, and manage your wealth effectively. Here are the top habits to embrace if you want to achieve long-term financial independence. 1. Live below your means. Spending less than you earn is the foundation of financial success. Why it matters? It allows you to save and invest rather than living paycheck to paycheck. How to start? Track your spending, identify unnecessary expenses, and create a realistic budget. Focus on needs over wants, and avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. This habit ensures you have money left over to work toward your financial goals. 2. Automate your savings and investments. Consistency is key when building wealth. Set it and forget it. Automate contributions to your savings account, retirement plans, and investment portfolios. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like a non-negotiable expense. Why it works. Automation removes the temptation to skip saving and ensures consistent growth over time. This habit simplifies wealth building and keeps your financial goals on track. 3. Build an emergency fund. A financial cushion is essential for unexpected expenses. Target amount. Save 3-6 months worth of living expenses. Best practices. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account for easy access and growth. Peace of mind. An emergency fund protects you from financial setbacks and avoids the need to take on debt. Having this safety net ensures your investments remain untouched during tough times. 4. Continuously educate yourself about money. Knowledge is a powerful tool for financial freedom. Read and learn. Dive into books, blogs, and podcasts about personal finance and investing. Stay updated. Keep an eye on market trends and financial strategies. Why it matters. The more you understand money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Commit to lifelong learning to sharpen your financial skills. 5. Diversify your income streams. Relying on one source of income limits your potential for growth. Side hustles. Start a part-time gig or monetize a skill. Passive income. Explore dividends, real estate, or online businesses for consistent cash flow. Why diversify? Multiple streams of income provide security and accelerate wealth building. This habit reduces financial risk and opens new opportunities. 6. Invest for the long term. Time is your greatest ally in wealth building. Start early. Take advantage of compound interest by beginning to invest as soon as possible. Stay consistent. Use dollar-cost averaging to build your portfolio steadily. Think big. Focus on long-term goals instead of short-term market fluctuations. Patience and consistency yield significant returns over time. 7. Track and review your progress. Regularly evaluating your financial situation ensures you stay on track. Set clear goals. Define short-term and long-term objectives. Use tools, leverage budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor spending and savings. Adjust as needed. Revisit your financial plan periodically to make necessary changes. This habit keeps you accountable and focused on your journey to financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't achieved overnight. It's the result of disciplined habits and a long-term commitment. By living below your means, automating savings, diversifying income, and continuously learning, you set yourself up for success. Combine these habits with patience and a clear vision of your goals, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial independence.